Today, I'll walk you through how to create recurring events in Google Calendar on desktop, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up recurring events so you can keep your schedule organized and never miss an important appointment. First, let's get started by opening Google Calendar. Simply navigate to your preferred web browser and type in calendar.google.com. This will take you to your calendar dashboard. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, as Google frequently updates its interface. Once you're on the main page, look to the top left corner where you'll see a button labeled Create. Click on that. This action will open a new menu for you to set up your event. In the menu that appears, choose the option labeled Event. This will expand your event details, allowing you to enter all the necessary information for your recurring event. Think of this as filling out a form for an important meeting. Next, click on the time option to make changes to the recurring frequency. This is where you can specify how often you want the event to repeat. When you click on the time section, it will expand further. Here, you'll see a drop-down menu that says Does Not Repeat. Click on that drop-down to reveal your options. Now select Daily from the list. This option will set your event to repeat every day, but you can choose other frequencies as well, like weekly or monthly, depending on your needs. After selecting the frequency, you can change the time to when you want the event to occur. This is crucial for ensuring that your schedule aligns with your commitments. Choose your preferred start time. This is the time when your event will begin. Next, you'll want to set the end time for your event. This is important for clarity, especially if you have back-to-back appointments. Once you've set both the start and end times, it's time to finalize everything. Finally, click on the Save button to confirm your changes. Your recurring event is now complete and will appear on your calendar according to the frequency you selected. Think of it as planting a seed in your schedule that will grow and remind you of your commitments. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any snags, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.